bá mi sọ fún sísí kó má lọ. Mo ti sọ wípé fàájì tẹ́lẹ̀ láwà. Ẹ bá mi sọ fún sísí kó má sálọ. Àníṣe mo ti sọ wípé fàájì tẹ́lẹ̀ lájọ wà. Sísí jọ̀wọ́ kó má lọ òkìá. Ọmọdé ṣe mí díá mi dá. Dúró dè mí àní kò gbé mi sáyà. Kó wá fífẹ́ tútù sáyà mi. Ọmọdé ṣe mí díá mi dá. Díá jọ̀wọ́ kó má lọ o. Ọmọdé ṣe mí kò gbé mi sáyà. Kó wá fífẹ́ tútù sáyà.
I see the sun in your eyes. I see the stars in your eyes. I see the colors of the rainbow in your eyes.
All right, Nasu, and the late night show with Obi Martins, Skimpy, and my Bonanza, Ugochi. You know, I just happy, and I just need to happy because I do my, you know, easy for me to be blessed among these two women. You know, you are still star for your eye. Then you
color of the rainbow.
I say Apollo for your eye. Apollo. All right, my people. Yeah, before we continue the show, now me before we picking where Igu no carry when it's small, and Igu no fi carry me again. You understand? Even super Igu self no fi carry me because if to say that fi carry me, they for go Nations Cup. If Yoruba say Oroma dieta shall be, ìgbà tó wà kékeré, àṣà ò lè gbé mọ́. You see, these my two women, they won't carry me, but as a sharp foul picking, I say make I call it to make peace before Igu carry me go because maybe Igu now don't come to their own party and I don't want to allow them. So that's why I say they play me that song. So baby, forget, you know, no go anywhere for peace to read. Even if you don't want to touch you, just the bath. If you don't bath finish, the rub cream for my front, I'm okay.
Okay, I still dey think am.
You say okay?
I still dey think am.
You dey think am?
If una don't perform on a magic finish, make una tell me.
My pick, Skippy always dey jealous, but nothing dey happen.
Jealousy wetin happen.
Now the late night show we dey.
Obi Martin, I no see you.
You no see me?
Yeah, Ugochi, but you know wetin happen. I see you small, sha. No be say the thing dey pay me.
I know say you still love me, Skippy.
You no pay me,
but no, my fault. As an African man, I be, I'm entitled to more than one wife. So, but the mistake what I do, I don't plan to marry the Ugochi. I go visit somebody, they go carry Ugochi, give me, say, take who as cool or not. And even though she never allowed me.
Now you collect.
And I use Skippy, say, the girl go see Ugochi, no collect them.
No, I don't blame you.
They don't forgive me out.
No,
don't worry. They don't forgive me out.
The point I be saying.
You be collateral like this to me.
And you know, say every time when they call her bonanza on top dish, they always tell you, say, forget that bonanza thing. Just call her full package.
Full package.
You know, easy. No be mine.
Rep yourself. Give yourself respect so that people go know say na money, better money. You chook hand for pocket, take collect me. You dey talk as if I cheap. I'm not cheap.
No, you pass with the use 1-2 bar of your marriage.
I beg.
Not be 1-2 bar of your and they marry. I want bitter cola.
Like this.
Then the old man. No, make
I don't watch this dirty laundry for outside. Just leave and just, you know, just maintain.
They must soak the laundry.
Just maintain.
No, Skippy, must soak it. Now you cause
your own kind of laundry. Even if you soak her for 1 week, you no go clean.
No, Skippy, now you cause her.
No verse.
Because when I bring her come out, if I put her through, see, they say, getting to do old room, they go do new room. If I put her through, this is how we style. Say, see, take care of our guy, take care of her every night. They touch in chest, they touch in beer. No play going nipple too much.
Who say she don't tell me all those things? She tell me, now you be the problem. You know fi change.
How? My people, make no blame say we talk. You see, this matter, it tire me, but now me be found picking where you no carry when it's small. You no fi carry me again. With my sexy dwaga husky voice, nothing they happen. Nothing they pa, nothing they skelebenge. I be skimpy.
Yes. No time to check time at all. But if you can't finally check the time, you go see say this na time where we they bring on the late night show on top of Wazobia TV. And don't forget that where we always they talk say ego na bottle, shokoto na trouser. But if you define jolliment, you define entertainment, you define comedy. My brother, no waka go Sokoto because waiting you define inside your shokoto and the levels with that one. Because we don't scatter balance to bring you the packaging as they hot. Because as they hot, na say they sweet. it.
Ugochi.
Skin filala.
You say this your hair, they cost me money, but I did bear am.
Which hair?
I did.
No, be this hair I carry come your house. Since when I did this house, how many years now? You don't change this hair?
But they give you ground or you make rubber now. Sorry, sister, don't talk for other people. Don't know. I they give you.
It just show you. Just
My people, we tie the hair come my house. The hair no fine. I they maintain the hair.
Na my own money I take do and come your house.
Money where woman,
Change am for
money
me.
where woman get for husband house, husband money.
Wait, on a fight for night, well, I don't know.
Skippy, when you go holiday, when you go for a break this weekend, this sport, you know.
Are you serious?
You don't even give me.
Hey, yeah.
It is where I go home, my man, they blame Momo.
Hey, yeah.
I say,
No be when they do woman pockets where pot of soup where when they lay the bed where no be there she go enjoy the thing.
Obi Mati, okay, we go talk this talk. More talk this talk for family meeting.
No, what do so?
More talk for family meeting later.
Before our guests come, we'll talk this matter. Skip, I begin. This is where I go down home, man. I say, please now. Oh, please touch me. Please. You wicked. That's it.
I go talk to her.
Cobweb.
I go talk to her.
Cobweb go inside. I go put mango for your body, no worry.
No try me.
Give me the thing. Make I see, even now. Make I even test. You know, give me. You are wicked, though. But I look you. But if I let you go, I may lose. I may lose because as you do like they push sugar for a man to wear. Package.
Obi, they wait me you call for that break.
I want to come for break now. Tell them what you get for them before we go break. Skimpy, you know easy. Our guests will get for the house.
Head of the family say make I tell on waiting we get on board. And on board today, you know, as we tell the day and say we get cocoa of the day. That one another level where we be say we they bring on us some packaging things we don't happen since morning, especially for people who go work where we say traffic no let on and no waiting the sub inside Obodo Naija plus Obodo Yonda. We get cocoa of the day where we go tell on one or two things we don't share, we don't buzz those presently. And when we come up for that level, we enter people's parliament. That one at that level where we say we did bab some kajat people join body. Yes, so we go come do waiting, we go sunshi them, we go ask them some kind question. Then go come do waiting, raise their hand up, say anything where we talk for you now confirmation, we cannot lie, give honor. Yes, now the packaging be that one, but before we enter that one, full signed and delivered, we go first buy small kuli from Malam Sule way the outside of our gate. Make sure say when we come back, you still there, no waka go anywhere. The late night show, Obi Martins, Skimpy, Ugochi, la.
And easy beats. Make I hail you.
Yes, sir.
No, which one be yes? Anytime this guy say yes, why go they say when this guy say yes?
I like the guy scratch. You know the it's sweet.
Easy. Give me my song. Go market.
I see the stars in your eyes. I see the colors of the rainbow in your eyes. So baby, if not play, you play. Baby, make you stop and sharply. I say make you stop and before you come make mess in my day. Enjoy, got me so to see. Oh my love, my baby, love, you need me and you today. Now you will be my motivation, only you,
Like a this, like a that, like